coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
What's up everyone and welcome to our channel Joxology, Biyahe ni Jox. First, we would like to say thank you to all subscribers for viewing our videos, and it's all about life vlogs, my personal life vlog, biyahe, and also may mga food reviews and other mga trips, all walks in life. That is why for all the subscribers, this is all for you. We are trying to give you better videos and footages. I am now presenting to you this GoPro. So we bought this GoPro para sa mga good photos and videos for all of you guys. Right now, this is the box of the GoPro Hero 9, the latest GoPro Hero, because as far as I know, based on my review, meron itong 3.0 na hyper smooth. When you say hyper smooth, yung stabilize even you will run, yan, napaka-stable ng ating video. I am currently residing here in Davao City. Medyo mahirap to buy and reserve GoPro Hero 9, but finally, I have this. I bought it for about 26,000. Thank you so much for the some sponsors and for giving me this GoPro Hero 9. So later on, we're gonna check those specs. According to these specs, we have the 20 megapixels and 5,000 video for the resolution. And also, you can use this underwater for about 33 feet. Hopefully, may diving tayo. Pwede itong gamitin without the case. The differences about Hero 8 for the older heroes and other action cameras, this is better, the most reliable action camera ever. May mga consequences din for this, but later on we're gonna find out kung ano yun. But based on my reviews, of course, there's pros and cons on this. So check natin. So for this box, when you will buy this GoPro Hero 9, meron siyang mga inclusions. I don't know if all the stores meron, but meron siyang binibigay na mga ganito. Mga mounts for the helmets and other gears, adhesive mounts and other screws. And for the GoPro Hero 9, meron din itong, of course, the micro SD card. So I choose to have the 64 gigabytes kasi if you will get the bigger memory card, medyo mahirap to sort it out. I am thinking that if you will gonna save videos every now and then for your travel, right after the travel, you have to transfer it sa laptop or any computer device niyo para hindi siya mag-mash up for sorting out. And of course, we have here this GorillaPod, the most famous GorillaPod. I will gonna let you see then how efficient, reliable this GorillaPod. This is for the Android, so kinonvert namin to mounting GoPro Hero 9 since wala pang mga accessories for GoPro Hero 9. And according to these specs, aside from having the 20 megapixels, the 5,000 video or 1080 resolutions, may mga time warp, time lapsing. Live streaming is okay na rin for the GoPro Hero 9. For the time lapse, meron siyang timer that you can have this time lapse for sunrise and sunsets ninyo. Without you going there, pwede siya i-set up na daan and may timer siya when to start and when to cut it out. May touchscreen, and good thing for this kasi ang GoPro Hero 9 may screen sa front and sa back, where you can see yourself, most especially for the vloggers kasi sometimes you do vlogging with the camera in front, so kitang-kita, you may see your images doon accurately. And we will proceed to our accessories. We have this GorillaPod. Actually, ito yung GorillaPod for Android phone, yung may bolt doon sa top. But then, this is very useful kasi sa GorillaPod, you can attach or make this GorillaPod grab to any good surfaces like sa puno. Very flexible. So that is why some of the vloggers really love this GorillaPod kasi it's very flexible and handy. So yung problem lang on this kasi on GoPro Hero 9, wala siyang GorillaPod na for mounting. So ginawa namin, we have to do it this DIY. Ni-remove namin yung nut and then yung ating mount for the GoPro, in-attach namin dito, and nilagyan na lang namin ng adhesive or bond, glue bond, tapos nilagyan ng tali na black para hindi masyadong halata. But as you can see, yun, tinali na siya para hindi siya ma-remove. So DIY lang muna para at least better siya, because I asked for GoPro Hero 9 accessories, hindi pa available here in the Philippines or siguro here in Davao City. Yan. So I suggest you have to get this Gorilla Pod. It's very useful. And we are about to unbox this GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this is the box. So you have to open it. You can buy this GoPro Hero Black for about 26,000. And what's so nice for the GoPro Hero Black is the casing. Ayan, ganito yung case. And if you will buy this GoPro Hero Black 9, it comes along with this accessories. Ito yung mga accessories natin. This is GoPro Hero 9 Black. Of course, we have the unit sealed with filters, plastics, and we have to remove that later on. Inside, you have the battery, another mount. We have the cable cord. This is Type-C cable cord for charging and transferring files, and this is for the mount. And also, of course, usually we disregard this one. We have this manual. So yun, so this is the typical case of Heroes, but this is better, the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, so we have to remove this plastics. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You have the screen in front and of course the screen at the back. So this is bigger than Hero Black 8. Definitely the reason is we have the bigger battery. So it's bigger battery. So that's why it's bigger than Hero Black 8. Wow, I'm so excited to use this one on our upcoming videos, travel videos. Okay. For this one, meron na siyang built-in. They have the built-in mount for this type of mounting here in GoPro. So built-in, which is good. And of course, we have this button, the power button mode. The shutter, it's bigger, which is nice. And eto na. Have to open it up. Okay, so slide down and open up. Of course, you have to insert this micro SD card. So again, for the micro SD card, I usually use 64 gig only so that you will have more time to transfer those files every now and then, kasi medyo mahirap saving files and sorting files if you have stock photos and stock videos in your GoPro. Put it on. Then the battery. Now it's tight. And I'm gonna show you to switch it on. There you go, this first beep. Whoa, so this is the GoPro Hero 9.
Monkey.
Okay, so these are the menu on our GoPro Hero 9. So we have the camera mode, we have the video mode. For the camera or photo mode, we have here the button in the lower left. That's the angle for your widescreen. It's either linear, the standard, or the focus. On the other side, here on the middle right, we have here the standard photo as well, the HD photo, and the super photo. Okay, so of course you have to choose the super photo. And for the video mode, we have this snail option. So that's the slow-mo, up to 8 times slow-mo for your video coverage. And on the middle right, we have here this talk about hyper smooth 3.0. So you can do the cinematic part. We have the 4000 resolution, or the standard one. For GoPro Hero 9, the charging port is on this side. So again, this is type C. As you can see, if you will check this GoPro Hero 9, we have this kind of design. So this is where the water drains. So if you're gonna plunge this action camera underwater, we have this drainage system of the GoPro Hero 9. And I went outdoor and tried this GoPro Hero 9. For the battery life, actually it's not enough for me. Okay, so if you're gonna run the whole coverage for the whole day activity of yours, I think this battery of GoPro Hero 9 is not enough. Most likely other action cameras as well, but for the GoPro, this is the high battery life. But for me, I suggest you have to get another battery or 2 more battery if you want to have this whole day activity of yours. Super smooth. The hyper smooth of this is excellent. So that's all about GoPro Hero 9 Black, the latest GoPro or action camera. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys will gonna consider GoPro Hero 9 because it's really nice for vlogging and for your adventure. And speaking of adventure, thank you so much for watching and for listening. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe below. Maraming salamat everyone. Bye.